So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can load your local songs to your iPhone from your PC using iTunes. So you do not need any third party app, just download the iTunes from your Microsoft Store. I will also put the link in the description below. After downloading the official iTunes, then make sure that you connect your iPhone with your PC or laptop using an USB cable. So preferred is the official USB option. So and then when it is connected, then just tap on this icon and then here scroll down and make sure the automatically sync when this iPhone is connected is on, and also sync this iPhone over Wi-Fi. So make sure to toggle these two options and then hit on apply, and then just here click on this file option at the top, and in the file option click on add folder to library. So if you want to add a particular folder, and then just here browse to where your local songs are stored or downloaded. So let me just go to my folder where my songs are downloaded. So this is the folder that I want to sync from my PC to my iPhone. So just click on select folder. So here you can see these are the song lists that I want to sync from my PC. So just click on the sync option. So here at the top you can see sync, and it said updated. So now just click on music here and click on sync music. So 23 songs entire music library. So just click on hit apply, and here click on sync and replace. So just click on here and it is syncing the music. So here you can see that it is syncing at the top option here. So the sync is done. So let's just click on done here. So these are the song that we have synced from our PC to our iPhone. So now let's head over to our iPhone. So now in my iPhone, let me show you that if the song is properly synced or not. So you can use any of the music player. So for I will use the default Apple Music player. So just go to the Apple Music player and then click on library. And here you can see the songs. So these are the songs that we have synced from our PC to our iPhone. So you can see all the songs are available here. So that's it. This was a quick tutorial on how you can sync your local songs from PC or laptop to your iPhone using iTunes. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to give it a like. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from TechMesh and I'm signing out.